की कौमां ने सिर झुका के ਜਿਉਣਾ ਸਿੱਖ ਲਿਆ ਸੀ, ਆਪਣੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਬਦਲ ਲਈ ਸੀ, ਆਪਣਾ ਰਹਿਣ ਸਹਿਣ, ਆਪਣਾ ਕਲਚਰ ਬਦਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ। ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਦਿੱਤੀ, ਉੱਠੋ, ਗਰਦਨ ਉਠਾ ਕੇ ਅਣਖ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਉਵੋ। ਉਹ ਸਿਧਾਂਤ ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ। ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਕੌਮਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਿਰ ਝੁਕਾ ਕੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਹਰੇਕ ਜ਼ੁਲਮ ਦੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਜਿਉਣਾ ਸਿੱਖ ਰਿਹਾ, ਉੱਥੇ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਖੜਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਸ਼ਹੀਦੀ ਦੇਣ ਲਈ, ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਸਟ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ, ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਸੱਚਾ ਸਾਬਤ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਸੋਚ 'ਤੇ ਖੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਖੜੇ ਰਹਾਂਗੇ। ਸੋ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਹਰਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਗਿੱਲ। ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ ਹੀਰਾ ਸਿੰਘ ਉਹ ਸਟੇਜ 'ਤੇ ਆਉਣ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇਸ਼ਮੀਤ ਕੌਰ। ਇਸ਼ਮੀਤ ਕੌਰ नहीं, लास्ट नेम कोई नहीं हैगा। इशमीत कौर, सो इशमीत कौर सैनी। ओके, इशमीत कौर सैनी स्टेज पे आ रहे।
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। सिर जावे ता जावे पर सिक्खी सिदक ना जावे। My head may go, but my Sikh faith and steadfastness must not go. Good morning, honorable judges, esteemed principal, school faculty, and my fellow colleagues. My name is Ishmeet Singh. I am from Khalsa School of the Fraser Valley, and I am in grade 9. Today in my speech, I am going to share the 3 panktis that make me connect more deeper to Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji Shahidi, and most important, why. So with my introduction, I am going to give a short summary for Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's life. Guru Tyagmal, who got his second name, Guru Tegh Bahadur, after he displayed his bravery in Battle of Kartarpur. He was a learned poet, he was a spiritual leader, and he was also a warrior, also known as protector of Hindustan. Born in Amritsar 1621, April 1, he was the youngest son of 6th Guru, Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji and Mata Nanki. He wrote Slok Mahalla Noma, that is written in the concluding portion of Guru Granth Sahib Ji, a Sikh holy scripture. As you all know about Guruji's martyrdom, and his martyrdom was not only a simple moment, it was a pivotal moment in Sikh history which inspired whole the world. He was beheaded for refusing to change his religion and convert his religion to Islam and stand up for universal human rights. His place of martyrdom is known as Gurdwara Sisganj Sahib, which is a place of pilgrimage and importance for Sikhs to remember Guruji's sacrifice and dedication. As we all of us know about his Shahidi, so I have found the 3 panktis, which are not only the panktis, which are the motivation for my daily life. So, okay, now I'll begin with my first pankti. That is, Pੈ kahu ko de taneh neh pe manat aan, kaho nanak sun re mana gyani tahe bakhan. One who doesn't frighten anyone is the only person who is never afraid of anyone else. Nanak says, listen mind, call him spiritually wise. What is the meaning of this pankti? It means that the person who will never afraid anyone, who will never cause a sense of fear in the person, is the only person who will never get frightened from anyone. So why does it connect to me? As we know, Guruji was martyred for standing up for universal human rights and his own religion. So there's a question coming for me, that how Guruji was ready, how Guruji was agreed to get martyred with courage. And now if the same question arises upon us, that if we are said to do that, are we ready or am I ready? Never. The answer is never ever in our life. With the fear, we will be ready to say that yes, we are ready to change our religion. We don't want to listen our God. But, okay, you can keep this up beside. But we should go on a word courage, which was perfectly and absolutely followed by Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. And as I told, the person who is never frightened of anyone will never fear anyone. And this was the same about Guruji. He never had a passion for frightening anyone, for afraiding anyone. So now my next pankti is Sir Dije Kaan Na Kije. Give up your head, but do not give up your ear. What is the meaning of this pankti? Be ready to sacrifice your life for your principles, but do not compromise it under pressure or negotiation. Why does it connect to me? The spiritual teaching teaches that do not be mindful to the God. Sorry. Be mindful with the God. Not get attracted with the distractions from your life. And one thing that come in my mind for the God is Guruji is that yes, he gave his head, but the truth is he never gave his principles. He never gave his principles. He inspired everyone. Yes, you have to stand up for your religion. Now my last pankti is बल हुआ बंधन छूटे सब किछ होते उपाय नानक सब किछ तुम्हारे हाथ में तुम ही होते सहाय. My strength has been restored, my bonds have been broken, and now I can do everything. Nanak, everything is in your hand. Lord, you are my helper and you are my supporter. This teaching offers a message of resilience and faith. It says everyone to stay true to their spiritual belief. And now, why does it connect to me? This quote mainly connects more deeper to Sikh community towards Guruji's sacrifice and dedication. This teaching tells that if you remember Ik Onkar, I repeat that if you remember Ik Onkar, it will surely help you. But the Ik Onkar helps those people who are honest, who are truthful, and who are veracious, not the persons who are lying, who just speak honest to show. Yes, we know we speak honest, but behind someone they speak lie. So, with this my speech ends. But I have two things to say. One is the question and one is the quotation. So there is a question for all of you and I need answer. That was Guruji's sacrifice for surrender or for own gain or purpose? Can I get an answer please? Surrender. Yeah, surrender. Was it a sacrifice for a personal gain or power? No. So now I would like to conclude my speech by saying a quote. गुरा की बानी जिस मन वसै दुख दर्द जब तक का नसै. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.